Quantum computing is a form of computing that uses the properties of quantum mechanics to perform calculations and solve problems. It is based on the use of quantum bits, qubits, instead of classical bits, and it allows quantum computers to perform certain tasks much faster and more efficiently than classical computers. The future of quantum computing is expected to bring about significant advancements in many fields, including cryptography, chemistry, finance, and machine learning. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we process and store information, making it possible to solve problems that were previously unsolvable. However, quantum computing is still in its early stages of development, and much work remains to be done to fully realize its potential. IBM, Google, Microsoft, Intel, Amazon, Zandu, Toshiba, Rigetti, QCI, and D-Wave are the top 10 businesses focusing on significant advances in quantum computing. Since becoming the first to offer cloud-based quantum computing access, IBM is continuing to release new versions of its quantum computing technologies. It plans to release a 433-qubit processor called Osprey this year, with a 121-qubit processor called Condor to succeed it in 2023. Despite its challenges, the development of quantum computing is one of the most exciting areas of research in the field of technology today, with many companies, universities, and government agencies investing in it. As the technology advances, it is likely to bring about significant changes in the way we live and work, and it has the potential to transform many different industries and applications.